Oh, hi there, everyone. It's your Jamaican girl, Norlene. Join me in the kitchen as I demonstrate how to do eggplant Jamaican style.
Welcome to my kitchen.
All right, family and friends, let's get cooking. This is a quick and easy meal, and you can try it in your kitchen. So, guys, I cut my eggplants in three, and then I cut them in cubes, guys. I try my best to make sure that the cubes are evenly done. Next, family and friends, I add my rub and spices to this, and I give it a good old massage in. Next, I move to make my flour batter. I have 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut milk, a tablespoon of cornstarch. I add to that some paprika, guys, and of course my garlic salt, and then I mix thoroughly. I invite you to stay with me for the entire video, and remember to hit that like button and share with your friends. Next, family and friends, I add my flour batter to my eggplant, and then I coat well. To my baking tray, guys, it is already foiled so as to cut down on cleanup time. I spray my non-stick spray and layer on my eggplant, guys, and add this to my air fryer at 450 degrees for 5 minutes. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for making my channel one of your viewing experience. Please remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. All right, family and friends, it's time to make the sweet and sour sauce. So I add a tablespoon of butter to my saucepan. I've added to that some garlic and a bit of ginger, guys. I stir this in well, guys, and then I add to that my onions. Now, guys, as you can see, these are chopped onions, so I can get some nice squared pieces in my sauce. I add to that 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and I add to that a tablespoon of cornstarch that was mixed well. Next, family and friends, it's time to add it all together. I add my bell peppers, my cucumber, guys, and my eggplants to the sauce, guys. Stir this in very well. Family and friends, it's time for the spiritual nugget. Galatians 6 verse 10 reminds us that we are responsible for what we sow. We need to plant good spiritual seeds. We have a responsibility for the message of salvation. Therefore, we must be exemplary in our Christian conduct. Now, family and friends, the meal is almost done. I'm going to add to that some fresh bell peppers. I'm going to add to that some fresh spring onions, the green part, guys. I'm going to add to that some chia seed for texture, and it is all done. It's once again another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now, family and friends, if only you can taste all of this goodness, the texture from the cucumber, from the peppers and the onions, guys, it is so delectable and it is so very delicious. Thank you so much for spending the time with me in the kitchen. I'll see you next week where I have for you another meal done Jamaican style. Please, I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Turn on your post notification, leave your comment, and share my channel with your friends, and encourage them too to subscribe. Thank you so much.